Good morning, students. Welcome to day 33 in distance learning. Today we are going to be looking at our new unit, Unit 6, Week 2, Tales to Live By. So today I wanted to go over what you'll be doing, everything that should be in this post for today. I'm going to read to you so that you understand what you should be doing. So today is Wednesday, 5/13, day 33 of distance learning, Tales to Live By. You are going to take a minute and watch our video. Once you've watched our video of Tales to Live By, then we'll move on to the ebook. So please watch.
Tales to Live By. Stories can teach us important lessons. People can learn from characters' actions. People can relate story lessons to their everyday lives. Storytellers from different cultures sometimes tell the same story in different ways. What can different cultures teach us?
Okay, so that's your essential question for today. What can different cultures teach us? So as we move forward, there are several things you're going to be doing today. The first of which is you are going to be looking at your words for today. Your words for this week are going to be book, should, would, cook, foot, could, and look. These are your vowel team long O sounding words. Please note that these are the spelling words that we're referring to for this week. If you have any questions or you're not sure where to look for them or you can't find them in the post, they are here in the video. Stop and take a moment to write these down. Open a separate document and make sure you practice. Once you're done with that, we're going to move on to your ebook. Please make sure that you take a moment to go into Benchmark and open your ebook. Once you've opened your ebook, there are a few things you're going to be working on while you do this today. So let's start by reading. Today you're going to be reading The Fox Gets Tricked. This is a folktale called a trickster tale. This is because one character tricks another character. These are traditional to many cultures. Before you read, please scan your text and make a prediction. Write your prediction in the notes section here in your ebook. Prediction is what you think will happen before you read a story. So before you read a story and looking just at the title, Fox Gets Tricked, and at the picture at the bottom of the page, you're going to be focusing on what you think is going to happen to the two characters in the story. Please read aloud for fluency and accuracy. Skilled readers listen to themselves read to make sure they are pronouncing words correctly. Please remember, read, reread, and read again makes for a good reader. Now we'll start with Fox Gets Tricked.
Shared reads 3 and 4. Remember to annotate as you read.
Fox Gets Tricked. A young boy was enjoying a large bunch of grapes. Fox saw the grapes and wanted them, so he snatched them from the boy's hands. "Fine," said the boy. "I'll just get more from the fox who lives underwater. His are better anyway." The boy knew the fox would follow him, so he went to the pond. He looked into the water. So did Fox, who saw his reflection. Fox dropped the boy's grapes and jumped in. The boy scooped up his grapes and ran home as fast as he could. The Lion and the Man.
Okay, so we're reading The Fox Gets Tricked. As you read this story, we need to make connections to the tale. Remember, there are 3 ways readers make connections. text to self, text to text, and text to world. In your Google Slide or your Google Doc, or in the notes section of this ebook, please answer these questions. Question 1. How do you connect or relate to the story? Question 2. What other tale or story does this remind you of? And question 3. How does this story relate to the world around you? When you're done answering these 3 questions, please make sure they're listed in your notes section or in a Google Doc or on the slide provided. Please make sure you've also written down your spelling words. And if you are working on this at home and are not accessing this, which I'm assuming you all are since you're watching the video, please see the alternative notes. Okay, guys, that's great. That's today's lesson. Please make sure you take a minute to watch this video. If you're having any trouble doing any of the work that I've shown you, please reach out as soon as possible so that I can help you get through it. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you were able to get through the work. And if you're having any trouble getting into Benchmark or accessing the ebook, please send me a private note or a text or email to let me know, and then I can hopefully help you fix it. Okay, guys, have a good day.